Hello everyone. So recently I have purchased these things from Nykaa and I would like to share my impressions about that. Also I'm gonna do this look by using that products. If you're gonna buy products from Nykaa, definitely this video is gonna help you. So let's get into the video. The first product I bought was this Plum Sea Buckthorn and Grapeseed Oil Face Mist. It comes in this transparent bottle with pump attached. So I'm spraying this mist all over my face and it quickly absorbs into your skin and definitely gives a quick freshness to your skin. It claims that it is a hydrating booster to your skin. But you know, with the face mist, you can see the result only after completing the one whole bottle. So you can see I have already used a little, so I'll definitely tell you a review after completing this bottle. The next item is this Vaseline body lotion, and previously I used a cocoa flavor, the same body lotion in the cocoa flavor. So just to give a try, I bought this flavor, but I'm so happy with this body lotion. It is extremely moisturizing. Also it gives a nice shiny effect to your body. You can see that. It quickly absorbs into your skin and gives that nice dewy finish to your skin, and it does moisturize your skin for the longest time. And this body lotion definitely suits for extra dry skin type like me, and this product is definitely a big thumbs up from my side. So moving to the next product, I bought this Clinique Moisture Surge for my face, and you can see this consistency is watery, and for any skin type I recommend you to go for water based moisturizer because it hydrates your skin and also holds your makeup for the longest time. And this product, it's definitely hydrated my skin and it's a very nice decent product, and definitely a thumbs up from my side for this product. Next, for my regular use, I invested in this Neutrogena sunscreen. It's a SPF 50 plus sunscreen. For your regular use, it's a nice shield for you to protect from the sun. It might seem white at the beginning, but after nicely absorbing into your skin, it's gonna give you that dewy effect. But for today's makeup, I'm not gonna use this because I'm gonna use foundation. So for your regular use, definitely you can invest in this product. For my base, I invested in this Nykaa Skin Genius Sculpting and Hydrating Foundation in the shade number 3 Warm Sand, and as the name suggests, it's definitely a hydrating foundation. It gives you a sheer finish and you can build up the coverage as much as you want. And if you have any acne or breakouts, it's definitely not gonna hide it because it's a sheer coverage, but you can build up the coverage in that area. It blends well into your skin and gives you that slight dewy finish. You can see it on my other side. I like this foundation. Next, I bought these bunch of concealers, so we will see one by one. First, I bought this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Corrector and Concealer in the shade Medium Deep Tan, and it's a very small wand. When you take the product out of that bottle, you can apply only once in the area. It's a very decent concealer. It doesn't gives you that full coverage concealer. If you have a high pigmentation, you have to build up the coverage, and it does blends well into your skin, no doubt about that, but it's a very sheer coverage concealer. You can see my blending. There is still a slight pigmentation in my forehead, so again I'm gonna build up the coverage. Next, I bought this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade Light, and you have to twist that bottle to get the product out. Guys, I have to tell you, before buying this product, I had an oscillation in my mind whether to buy this product or not, but it has fulfilled all my expectations. I really love this product. It blends like a magic. You can see that in my skin. It's a full coverage concealer. I like full coverage concealers, and I guess this is a dupe for the Tarte, the high-end brand concealer. But you have to really hydrate your under eyes before applying this concealer. So the next concealer I bought is this PAC Spotlight Concealer in the shade beige. Actually, I bought two concealers, and one is Warm Honey and one is beige, and I really love this concealer because it comes in this transparent bottle and it is a liquid full coverage concealer. It blends like a magic into your skin. Also, it comes in different shades and every shade will suits the Indian skin tone, so I definitely like this concealer. Also, it stays longer in your skin, so this is a very big thumbs up from my side. Next, my all-time favorite, I bought this Plum Nature Studio Kajal. In my recent video, I have used this Kajal for my Indian kurti look. If you haven't watched my video, click the I button above and watch the video. And this Kajal is a gel Kajal in the pencil format, so it sets very fast, and if you are gonna smudge, you have to do it very immediately after applying, and this is definitely a good investment. Next, I invested in this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution, and these are the colors comes from this palette. First, for my crease area, I am picking up this light transition color. I want my today's eye makeup to be very subtle, so I am picking up the lighter shade first. Next, I am picking up this light orange for my outer V to create a depth in my outer V. This is a nice powdery eyeshadow which easily blends. Next, I'm picking up this dark brown shade to create a depth in my outer eyeshadow and also in my crease area. I'm nicely blending it with the previous color I applied. You can always build up the pigmentation as much as you want. So for the ombre effect, I'm using again this light orange in my inner eye corner and blending it with the previous color I applied. After a nice blending, showing you a next product I invested. So I invested in this beautiful and also the famous Maybelline Colossal Felt Tip Eyeliner. You can see how sharp this tip is. Today I'm going to line a very basic eyeliner, but in future videos with this felt tip liner, I'm gonna show you various looks. Next, I bought this Lakme Iconic Kajal in this beautiful green color. I love how intense this color looks, and I love the texture of this kajal. This is so smooth and glides on easily on your waterline, and I'm happy with this kajal. Next, I bought this world famous L'Oreal Lash Paradise Voluminous Mascara, and this is the wand of this mascara. This is not a hard wand, this is very soft wand. This will not hit your eyelashes. I'm removing the excess from the wand. Speaking about this mascara, it has disappointed me actually, because by seeing a lot of reviews I bought this mascara, but this splatter and clumps in your eyelashes, and since this is a waterproof mascara, this is very hard to remove with water. This is a okay mascara from my side. Next, I bought this beautiful champagne shade highlighter from Wet n Wild, and this highlighter amazed me. By swiping only once, you can see how this highlighter gives you that glass finish skin. I really liked the shade and the finish of this highlighter gives. So I'm applying it on my high points of my face, and I love this highlighter a lot. If you are looking for an affordable highlighter, you can definitely invest in this. Next, I bought this Lakme Absolute Liquid Lipstick in the shade Crimson Red. This is a perfect shade for date or night out, or if you are wearing a black dress, this is definitely a go-to shade. And the wand of this lipstick is very small, so you can line your lips and fill the corners of your lips very easily. Guys, for your convenience, I have linked all the products used in this video in the description box, and if you haven't watched my other videos, click the I button above and watch my other videos. Do like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on social media, do follow me on social media. And for your convenience, I have also linked my social media profiles in the description box below. I also post videos related to hair, makeup and saree wrap in my Instagram profile also. I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.